Ford reverses decision on renaming Shelby streets at Dearborn campus, Ford has officially clarified that it will not be removing Carroll Shelby Way from its Michigan headquarters, following internal documents that suggested a plan. Replace the motorsport legend's name with vehicle model names. The confusion arose after internal campus maps indicated that Carroll Shelby Way East and West were slated to be renamed Raptor Way and Navigator Avenue. This sparked a debate over whether the automaker was distancing itself from one of its most iconic performance legacies. A miscommunication in the making in response to reports regarding the potential name changes. Ford issued a statement to Auto News clarifying that while the renaming was under consideration, no final decision had been made. The company attributed the discrepancy to a miscommunication and confirmed that Carroll Shelby Way is not changing. The proposed changes were part of a much larger long-term transformation of Ford's Dearborn campus. The company is currently revamping its old product development center into a modernized hub featuring advanced research laboratories, new meeting and collaboration spaces, racing-specific offices, employee fitness facilities. This massive infrastructure project is expected to continue through 2029. As part of this campus-wide rebranding, other streets are indeed receiving new identities to better reflect Ford's current lineup, such as Mustang Alley, formerly Village Road, and Bronco Bend, formerly South Pond Road. The tension between heritage and modern branding, the decision to consider replacing Shelby's name, highlights a subtle but significant shift in how Ford manages its corporate identity. By proposing names like Raptor and Navigator, Ford appeared to be prioritizing its current product pillars over its historical milestones. The goal of the campus revamp is to connect employees more closely to the specific vehicles they are developing in real time. While this strategy aims to energize engineers by surrounding them with contemporary branding, it risks overlooking the historical foundation upon which Ford's performance reputation was built. Carroll Shelby was instrumental in developing the Cobra, the GT40, and the high-performance Mustang variants that cemented Ford's status in global motorsport. A pattern of distancing, the controversy surrounding the street names is not an isolated incident. Observers have noted a trend of Ford moving toward independent branding for its high-performance vehicles. Following the end of production for the Shelby-branded Mustang GT 500 after the 2022 model year, Ford has increasingly leaned on its own nomenclature, such as the Dark Horse and GTD series. While the Shelby name remains a cornerstone of Ford's history, the company seems to be navigating a delicate balance between honoring its legendary past and building a distinct, modern brand identity that belongs solely to Ford. Conclusion: while Ford has retreated from the plan to rename Shelby-dedicated streets, the incident reveals a broader corporate effort to prioritize current product branding over historical legacies. The company remains in the midst of a multi-year campus overhaul that will continue to reshape its Dearborn headquarters through 2029.